What is going on, y'all? Let's talk about the second launch of the Live Savage Apparel brand. So this launch is something I'm super excited about. It is our Savage Creed, all right? When it comes to a creed, that's something that you stand by, it's something that you live by. We have our own Savage Creed, and ours is that we are all born with an innate sense of primal savagery and ambition. I truly believe that. It's my responsibility, so your responsibility if you're willing wearing the shirt, to tap into that inner savage, harness its power, and live your life to your fullest potential. No excuses, no regrets. I will take ownership of my own life, and I choose to live savage. And this is fitting because this launch is happening on my birthday, October 30th. So established at birth makes sense in that Savage Creed title there. So super excited about this launch, yo. Like all of our apparel launches going forward, these are all made in America blanks. These are all printed by us. So full in production, straight to your door. And we've got the t-shirts, we've got the white, the black, the gray. The gray is gonna have the white ink and the black ink options for whichever one you choose. We've also got a thermal, which is honestly my favorite shirt. I've been wearing this non-stop. We got a Raglan for the females. We've got joggers for both the guys and the gals. So if you like the jogger style, you're gonna love these. We're super excited about it. We'll see you on October 30th for the drop. Catch you then.